So today we'll experiment some more with using the wet tissue method for planting and regeneration. Not regeneration, for growing. That's okay. It's sort of like the generation of new life by taking some seeds and then growing them into full plants, but not regeneration. Although some of these seeds are what I took from store bought cauliflower, store bought pepper. So is regeneration in a way? I don't know. You guys think and let me know whether that's right or not. So what I did was I soaked some capsicum, the yellow and red ones, pepper, capsicum, whatever you call it, for a couple of days, and then after that I put them into this tissue and put them into this ziploc, and checked it from periodically from time to time to see whether something is happening, and it should not dry out. So drying out didn't happen. Fortunately, I had kept it nicely, and then I had turned the top of this downward. So water vapor anyhow would not escape so easily. There were no holes in the ziploc. Although it's a reused ziploc, I did not take a fresh ziploc for this. I tend to try to reuse material wherever I can. So similarly for planting, I'm going to use these pieces of seeding tray rather than complete seeding trays. These are what I got when I bought some seedlings from a market. So they snip out the pieces and give me in these. So instead of throwing them away, I decided to reuse them. This is my standard potting mix. Um, basically the same soil I use for all my plants as well. I added a bit of sand as well in this just to keep it uh, porous, although, and a bit of cocoa peat in it, but that means given that it's getting hotter outside, I will need to water it from time to time. Okay, so let me open this and I'll show you. Now I need to put the camera down because no assistant, only one doing it myself. So I need to open it and see. Seems successful. As you can see, the spouting has happened. I'll open it further and show you even more inside the tissue method, and then you can see. So success. As you can see, spouting has happened in the pepper seeds, and uh, it doesn't happen all too often, so I'm very happy. I've got another in here. If I need more of these, I'll do this. I yet have to figure out survival rate, because we need to do it nicely to make sure that they survive. The root should be downward, the shoot should be slightly upward, it should not be too deep in the soil in the seeding tray. So let me try it out. I'll put it in and then I'll show you. So I have filled the potting mix in all of these and created small gaps in these where I'll put it. You have to pick them up very carefully. Again, one-handed, not possible. So let me put the camera down and then we'll try it out. So this is what it looks like. The root is inside, the shoot is outside. Let me hope that most of these survive. That will give me a good amount of capsicum, pepper. It's very confusing. Sometimes people call it pepper, hot pepper. Some people call it red, green, yellow capsicum. Not sure. So anyhow, so I'll put all of these, but I think you got the gist of what I'm going to do, and then I'll plant some more and see. I'm hoping to have at least 15 to 20 plants, subject to the availability, because I've got other summer vegetables also being planted. Okay, thank you, folks. I hope you learned something, or if you are doing this already and have tips, please put them in the comments. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel, it helps a lot. Thanks.